The Sound of Music. In 1938, in Salzburg, at the end of the federal state of Austria regime, Maria is a free spirited young Austrian woman studying to become a nun at an abbey. However, her youthful enthusiasm and lack of discipline causes some concern. Mother Abbess sends Maria to the villa of a retired naval officer, Captain George von Trapp, to be the new governess to his seven children. The captain has been raising his children using strict military discipline following their mother's death. The children have scared away several governesses by playing tricks. Although the children misbehave at first, Maria responds with kindness and patience, and soon the children come to trust and respect her. While the captain is away in Vienna, Maria makes play clothes for the children out of drapes that are to be changed. She takes them around Salzburg and the mountains while teaching them how to sing. When the captain returns to the villa with Baroness Elsa, a wealthy socialite, and their mutual friend Max, they are greeted by Maria and the children returning from a boat ride on the lake, which ends abruptly when their boat overturns. Displeased by his children's clothes and activities, along with Maria's impassioned appeal that he get closer to his children, the captain attempts to fire Maria. However, he hears singing from inside the house and he is astonished to see his children singing for the Baroness Elsa. Filled with emotion, the captain joins his children singing for the first time in years. The captain apologizes to Maria and asks her to stay. Impressed by the children's singing, their mutual friend Max proposes that Captain enter them in the upcoming Salzburg festival, but the captain disapproves of letting his children sing in public. During a grand party at the villa, where guests in formal attire dance in the hall, Maria and the children look on from the garden terrace. When the captain notices Maria teaching his children the traditional folk dance, he steps in and partners Maria in a graceful performance. Confused about his feelings, Maria blushes and breaks away. Later, the Baroness Elsa, who noticed the captain's attention towards Maria, hides her jealousy by indirectly convincing Maria that she must return to the abbey. At Abbey, Mother Abbess learns that Maria has stayed in seclusion to avoid her growing feelings for the captain. So she encourages her to return to the villa to look for her purpose in life. When Maria returns to the villa, she learns about the captain's engagement to the Baroness Elsa and agrees to stay until they find a replacement governess. However, the Baroness learns that the captain's feelings for Maria have not changed, so she peacefully calls off the engagement and returns to Vienna. Thereafter, Captain marries Maria. While the couple went to the capital city on some urgent work, their friend Max enters the children into the Salzburg festival against their father's wishes. Having learned that Austria has been annexed by the Nazi Germany, the couple return to their home where the captain receives a telegram ordering him to report to the German Navy base to accept a commission in the German Navy. Strongly opposed to the Nazis and their ideology, the captain tells his family they must leave Austria immediately. That night, the captain's family attempt to flee to Switzerland, but they are stopped by a group of brown shirts led by the young captain Hans Zeller waiting outside the villa. He had some grudge against the captain who prevents his attempts to meet his eldest daughter. The captain is aware that Hans Zeller is an ardent follower of Nazis and a fool enough to understand the consequences of Nazi Germany's invasion of Austria. To cover his family's tracks, the captain maintains they are headed to the Salzburg festival to perform. Hans Zeller insists on escorting them to the festival, after which his men will accompany the captain to Bremerhaven, the Germany Navy base. Later that night, at the festival, after their final performance, the captain's family slips away while Max stalls for them. The family seek shelter at the abbey where Mother Abbess hides them in the cemetery. Hans Zeller and his men soon arrive and search the abbey and found the captain family. By behaving tactfully and in a brave manner, Captain intimidates Hans Zeller and wrests the revolver from his hand and lets him go. But as soon as the captain's family is out of sight, Hans Zeller blows his whistle and alerts the military personnel who were standing outside the abbey and asks them to search and capture captain's family. But the family is able to escape using the caretaker's car. When Zeller's men attempt to pursue, they discover their cars will not start since two of the nuns of the abbey have sabotaged their engines. The next morning, after driving to the Swiss border, the captain's family makes its way on foot across the frontier into Switzerland to safety and freedom. Thank you very much. Now, find the meanings of the following words from your dictionary. Maria is a free spirited young Austrian woman studying to become a nun at the Abbey. Abbey. When the captain returns to the villa with Baroness Elsa. Baronews, Baroness. At Abbey, Mother Abbess learns that Maria has stayed in seclusion to avoid her growing feelings for the captain. Seclusion. 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 Thank you very much.